Build your association's knowledge warehouse with the easy-to-use, all-in-one video platform for management and sharing your video assets while making them searchable, accessible, and valuable. Think of it as your association's own YouTube, only more secure, branded, and controlled. It allows you to effortlessly store and organize all your valuable information assets, including events, meetings, workshops, training, webcasts, podcasts, and more. Securely share content so the right people can access it easily and instantly. You can share via URL, embed them on your website, or control access by users. Empower your stakeholders to search your library and jump to the right video and the right moment. Rebroadcast on demand to reach a wider audience. Observe viewer behavior to ensure audience engagement. Isn't it incredible? Unlock the full potential of your association's professional events, continuing education programs, and more to increase membership, growth, revenue, and engagement. Request a demo today.